Tabletop Mountain, right?
Table Mountain, I think it is.
Table Rock, I don't know.
Table Mountain.
Yeah, it was really hard. Most of us were expecting a little hike that would take like a couple hours. We'd come back, we'd have all the day, but it actually took all day. How many hours? We started at what?
I think it took like 7 hours in total. Started around like 11 o'clock in the morning, got back around like what, 7?
8. We got
Was
back.
it 8 o'clock?
Yeah, we got back.
Yeah, it was long, it was tough.
Yeah, but we also did hike up. We walked up all the way up to the mountain.
Yeah.
To the middle of town.
And it was like super hard, like it was not really dirt path, it was more just like rock steps. So it was like a lot tougher.
Yeah.
And also, it was really beautiful actually, like kind of like Lord of the Rings, like there was like moss everywhere, it was super beautiful. It was raining a lot too, but once you got to the top and after like waiting for like 30 minutes, it started clearing up and it was beautiful. It turned out to be awesome.
Yeah. Just a little bit of rain. Rocks were slippery.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it was fun. And we had a good buffet breakfast this morning, kind of. Cheap breakfast here in South Africa, which is nice. And I got this cute cat. I'm gonna name her Fifi. Kiki.
Nice.
Great.
Cut.